Hey guys, welcome to Advanced Business Analysis, a practical guide to requirement solicitation, analysis, documentation, validation, and management course promo. Let me give you a brief overview of what to expect from this workshop. So the agenda for this course are the following. In the first module, we will talk about requirements, how and where to find them, users, customers, requirements owners. Basically, we will set up the entire kind of playing field. Once done with that, we will start talking about high-level scope elicitation. How do you walk around gathering high-level features of your future product? In the next module, we will talk about detailed requirements elicitation. How do you elicit functional, non-functional, detailed technical, or detailed business requirements? We will talk about documenting requirements, and at the end of that module, we will have a walkthrough through a couple of requirement specification documents written by yours truly. We will talk about final product design and things to keep in mind when you are overseeing that part. We will talk about work breakdown structures and how to create them because they're part of project scope management. We will talk about customer walkthroughs, technical inspections, and peer reviews. And finally, how to manage customer expectations and how to manage your scope. Just to give you a heads up, on this platform, I have a number of courses available that might be of interest to you. Advanced Practical Project Management, because requirements, business analysis, and project management kind of go hand in hand. So if you're interested in one field, you might be interested in another one. Troubled Projects Recovery, which also touches upon requirements topic, and how to write great requirements document, which is a shorter workshop that describes how to properly document requirements. Introductions. My name is Jamal. I am a president and founder of a company called Think Tank Consulting based in Vancouver, British Columbia, but we operate throughout the world. I'm considered to be an expert in project management, project portfolio management, and business analysis, aka requirements engineering, aka project scope management. Author of 3 books. Now, in order to save some time, I'm going to let you take advantage of the pause button on this video. If you want to read more about me, with your permission, I'm going to skip on to the next slide. Which kind of provides you with a partial list of some of the organizations I helped out. You can see that, the most kind of notable being United States Department of Defense, Department of National Defense of Canada, Canadian Coast Guard. Also worked for oil companies, product companies, financial sector, telecom, and government. Again, take advantage of the pause button on this video if you want to examine the slide in more detail. I'm going to move on to the next one. What to expect from this course? First and foremost, as in majority of my courses, focus is on practitioners rather than academic view. I mean, there's some topics in business analysis that are very nice and interesting and all that, but it is somewhat difficult to implement them in real life. So what I'm trying to do in this course is only select the ones that are working in real life. Multiple case studies that are taken out both from IT and software development on one end and from enterprise projects or all other types of projects. We will talk about non-technical skills needed by business analysts, conducting meetings, dealing with difficult people, resolving conflicts. We will review typical requirement specification samples. And as always in my courses, rather than telling you, well, you have to do it this way because this book says so, I'll try to give you the economic explanation, the cost-benefit analysis of why doing it this way is preferable to doing it the other way. Target audience for this course. Definitely experienced requirements, business and systems analysts, whatever you call. Developers, architects, designers, engineers, testers, basically technical resources on the project. Technical people who recently been promoted to requirements gathering. This course is for you. I think it is very valuable for project managers because project scope management is a big chunk of what project manager is responsible for. So it might be a very good idea for project managers to gain some understanding of what are the processes there, what happens. Managers and directors who just want to better understand the challenges that are faced by requirements engineers and want to learn some universal skills. And trust me, in my experience, especially if you're talking to senior managers, they very frequently do not have appreciation of how difficult it is to elicit requirements and analyze and document them. Business representative, sales, marketing, especially salespeople, but also marketing and finance people who frequently have to work with technical teams and provide their requirements this course is for them also because it enhances their understanding of the process. Finally, some contact information and my social media presence for your information. I will start from the bottom of the list. I have a website called thinktankconsulting.ca. It gets, first of all, it's not just a website, it's a blog that I have been religiously updating on a weekly basis for the last almost 4 years. So it contains hundreds and hundreds of articles over there. Again, the areas are project management, project portfolio management, business analysis. The website gets fed into RSS feed, LinkedIn page, Facebook page, Twitter page, and occasionally YouTube channel if we have a video there. So if you're active on social media, whatever social media you're active on, feel free to connect with me or follow me there. You can also check out some of my courses, more basic courses on Udemy. Here's the link to the Udemy page. Finally, my email address is jamal@thinktankconsulting.ca. So if at any point of time you have a question regarding the course, or you have some issues with project management, requirements engineering, project portfolio management, feel free to email me and ask me that question. Okay, guys, hopefully I was able to convince you that taking this course might be a good idea. See you soon. Bye.